Myself, Professor Kamlesh Jadhav. Today, I'm going to discuss about the scope and importance of sociology. Before moving towards scope and importance of sociology, we will briefly discuss the meaning, definition, and concept of sociology. The term sociology was coined by Auguste Comte, a French philosopher, in 1839. Then, what is sociology? Sociology is the youngest discipline among all the social sciences. The word sociology is derived from the Latin word societies, meaning society, and Greek word logos, means to study or the science. The etymological meaning of sociology is thus it is the science of society. Then we will see the definitions of sociology. First definition is sociology is the study of man's behavior in group or of the interaction among human beings or social relationships and the processes by which human group activity takes place. Second one is sociology is a systematic approach to thinking about studying and understanding society, human behavior, and social groups. And the third definition is sociology is the scientific study of society and human behavior. Then we will discuss about the rural sociology. India is basically a land of villages. Rural sociology is the sociology of the village or village society. It is a branch of sociology which studies rural society. Rural sociology studies the relationship of the people who live in the villages. Then definition of rural sociology. First definition is that rural sociology is the sociology of life in the rural environment. Second one, rural sociology is the study of human relationship in rural environment. And third one is rural sociology is the science of rural society, the laws of the structure and development of rural governing society. Then scope of rural sociology in agricultural extension. Rural sociology works in three areas. First one is accumulation of sociological knowledge. Accumulation and use of sociological knowledge and use it for solving the present problems of rural society. Second one is conducting social research. Sociology should direct its efforts in obtaining sociological knowledge by empirical research procedures. And the third one is channelizing social knowledge for solving problems. Sociology has to channel its efforts by keeping faith in the methods used in this discipline in solving the problems of rural society. Then significance or importance of rural sociology in agricultural extension. In the context of community development and rural development programs, deliberate efforts are made to bring about social change in rural areas. This change is brought not in a vacuum but in a structure of human relations, which necessitates the study of rural sociology. An extension worker is a change agent. He has to bring about changes in rural culture. Therefore, he has to understand the culture in which he has to bring about changes. Then, in the cross cultural situation, it is likely that the change agent may develop ethocentric attitude which makes him difficult to work successfully. Study of rural sociology helps to overcome this difficulty. So this is all about the scope and importance of rural sociology. Thank you.